everyone. This is not an ASMR video, but I just like the sound. I am interested in doing an ASMR. I'm really big on ASMR, but more so ASMR, like the eating ASMRs. I'm still thinking on if I want to incorporate that on my channel and just have its own playlist, or if I do just want to create a whole nother separate channel for ASMR eating sounds. I don't know. Anyway, there's a lot of things that I want to do. But anyway, if you're interested in ASMR, let me know. Alrighty. This says break in case of fabulous. This was actually a picture that you can hang on the wall. I cut the strings off. And I use it as just like a table mat or something for my desk. Put my drinks on or my food or so I don't mess up my desk. So I just use, this is what I use it for. Just wanted to share that with everyone. All right, I'm gonna move this off to the side. So in today's video, I am going to be making earrings. I did make a video of myself showing you how I made these earrings, but it was a part of the videos that were unfortunately deleted from my laptop, so I did not have that video any longer. So I just figured I'd go ahead and try and make another video with what's left. I do have this left, so I'm just going to show you how I turned this into earring. Now I got this from Michaels. It was just like a long chain, maybe about 5-6 inches long, and I decided on how long I wanted my earrings to be, which I did only want 3 little hearts. I wanted little dangle earrings. I do have earring hooks, so I'll show you some of that. And this is all that I really have left, so I'm just going to show you a quick video on how I turned this into this. The tools that you will need are jewelry pliers. So I have my jewelry pliers. You can get these as a set from Michaels as well. It'll usually come in like a set of 3s. So like this. These are wire cutting pliers. These are, which ones are these? These are the ring opening pliers. There we go. And then let me show you the wire cutting pliers. And then these are just like the regular little pliers. And then it has like a little grip inside. Little ridges for gripping. So yeah. These are just some extra wire cutter pliers that I have. I don't really need these, just there. So with this, these inches themselves, my little measuring ruler, each one of these is an inch. So the earrings themselves are about 3 inches long, which I think is good. Not too long, not too short. I do want something to pop or stand out. I actually could just make this like one little dangle earring, I'm not even in camera. I could actually just make 2 little pairs of dangle. Oop, that's not the right one. Sorry. I could actually make just 2 pairs of dangle earrings. I may end up just doing that, just showing you how I make that and just turn these into 2 little sets of dangle earrings. So I think that's how I'll do. I love it. It's shiny and pink. So I'm going to move these off to the side. First thing I'm going to do, these are just like little chain links. The first thing I'm going to get Let me zoom in. Okay, first thing I'm going to get is my earring hooks. These are my earring hooks. Just about everything that I have, I got from Michaels. And a lot of this stuff I've had for years. If y'all don't know from any of my previous videos, I always typically say a lot of stuff that I have, I've had for years. And that's just the truth. A lot of stuff I have for years. I do make sure I keep everything in pretty good condition, or at least keep it somewhere where it's safe, where I can easily find it, or somewhere where I know it's not going to get damaged, so I don't have to have any issues with it. So yes, I've had these for a few years, still in good condition. So now I'm going to put something on for me to listen to, and while I turn these into earrings, and you just enjoy the music. Bye.
Girl, bye.